Welcome to the Physics Energy Podcast. On your screen right now should be the success criteria for what we are going to cover. You can pause and have a look at this criteria.
What is energy? Energy is the name that we give to the physical quantity in the universe that makes things happen, or has the potential to make things happen. We can put energy into two main categories, potential and active. Active are the ones that make things happen. Examples include kinetic energy, which causes movement, or thermal energy, which causes heat.
Potential energy is the type of energy that has the capacity to do things, but it isn't active at any given point. For example, gravitational potential energy is present because an object has been lifted off the ground, and if you let go of it, that gravitational potential energy will convert to kinetic energy and the object will fall to the ground.
Another example is chemical potential energy. This energy is trapped inside matter and is released when a chemical reaction occurs. For example, when you breathe in oxygen and do respiration, you are releasing chemical potential energy from the food that you have eaten.
One universal law of physics is that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be transformed or transferred. Whenever you try to destroy energy, you're essentially only changing it from one form to another, or you're taking it from one object and putting it into another.
Examples of transformations of energy include when a rock falls off the cliff, gravitational potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy, which causes the rock to move towards the ground. When it hits the ground, all the kinetic energy is transformed into sound and heat energy. Another example is a transformation of energy which occurs in a flame. When a chemical reaction occurs when something burns, the chemical potential energy is transformed into heat, light, and sometimes sound energy. Another example is when Gina blows up the balloon. The chemical potential energy from the food she ate is converted to kinetic energy, which moves the air from her lungs to the balloon, where the kinetic energy of the air is converted to elastic potential energy, which deforms the balloon. Now that you understand energy transformation, what transformation do you think occurs when you stretch a rubber band?
ENERGY, energy to touch the sky, energy to fly. ENE,